Thank you very much.
Oh, sorry. Awesome Lego sets. First visit into the Lego store Discovery Centre, Birmingham. Some of the sets on offer. And Lego music as always. Legoland music. You're there. You're right. Yeah, not too bad. You're right. So this is the store. You've got models. Got build a minifig. Lego City. More Legolands. And it goes right down to the back where if you come out the visitor attraction, you come out those doors there. And this is down the back. So it's looking quite nice. Got Lego Friends. So the kids stuff is at the front here, all the way back. Going up. Base plate. Got a gigantic Lego brick in the middle. New parts here. So these are new. Nice colour. Got some sets already. The bricks. Lego brick, pick a brick wall. So I'll just give you a rundown of what we got. This will be the first video of what's inside the new pick a brick wall. You've got your Lego tubs over there. These are new. Full view of the Lego pick a brick wall up there. The store now filling up, lots of people. Don't know if they've made their first sale yet. Got Legoland bags, very nice. Lanyards, magnets. It's alright. Key rings, merchandise, all over the store. Looks good. Very good. It's good that we've got a Lego store now in Birmingham, so that's very good.